Alrighty, this is day 2 of severe storms. See a big black cloud coming up and a big black cloud over here. Let me move over so you can see the second cloud. I need to fix that light on the gator. Big black cloud, you probably can't see it. Yeah, it's black. And then above me, you can see some bad storms coming our way. I bet our sirens will go off again. So, alright guys, we got one of a storm coming our way. It is very dark back toward this way. The air is just very, very still right now. The temperature is changing. It's getting cooler. And I've also noticed that on my phone, sorry I had to turn a macro on so you can see. On my phone, as you can probably see, we are the plus. That was the radar. You can see all this lightning. Storm watch. You can see there is a severe thunderstorm warning, producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles. Oh, that's not good. You can probably hear the thunder right now. I'm going to go ahead and put this back on radar. See, I'm in EVDO. Good. This is the radar as of now. Let me go back. Right now, there's one little supercell right beside the plus. So, well, it's not wanting to get out of macro. There we go. Hold up. There, that's better. Turn the macro off. The clouds are just getting darker and darker, and as you can see, it starts right there. The wind is starting to pick up a little bit. Most of the activity is toward this way right here. I might catch a big lightning bolt. And let's see. These storms are just like what happened yesterday. These are supercell pop-up storms. They just came out of nowhere. And just a normal summer storm, I guess. They're saying these are supposed to be rather bad. So I just kind of wanted to record it, because I bet money the siren will go off again today. They're saying it's supposed to be a lot worse than it was yesterday. As you can hear the frequent thundering and the wind beginning to pick up. It's thundering. Hold up. Let me move just a little bit. I have no shoes on right now. It's thundering mainly toward this way, but it is also thundering toward this way where there's another big storm. And it's just constantly lightning and thundering, and I had better not stand out here like this, because I could easily get struck by lightning. And that would not be a very hot thing. I just want to keep myself on some rubber. Here we go. I think this rubber mat ought to do for me. Alright, as it gets closer, I'm going to start taping again. Alright, and the sirens are going off as we speak. Severe thunderstorm warning, let's see, look on here. Severe thunderstorm warning for Dixon County till 4 o'clock. It's 3:30 right now. Big dark cloud over here. It's been very active. There's also a cloud. Whoa, I need to get over here. There's also a cloud right above me that is giving out a lot of thunder. But over here is our most active. The wind is just crazy. And sometimes the wind will just stop and then it'll just start up again with a huge gust. Whoa. This is a very fast moving storm and very dangerous storm. I just seen a big lightning bolt over there. Sorry guys, I missed it. They're saying that this is a very dangerous storm. This is a little more than your normal summer storm that you get every so often. Now that Tennessee's on Tornado Alley, the storms just get worse and worse every month and every year. There's the cloud. There's another one right there. The wind's beginning to pick up again. Now the wind is beginning to really pick up again. And there's just one a big gust. Now that tree right there, it takes a lot of wind to move that big tree, as you can see right there. It takes a lot of wind to move the branches on that, so you can tell this isn't good. I believe the storm's moving out now from this area, unless, oh, what is that? Does that have rotation? I don't think it has rotation. It looked, at first it kind of scared me there. I wasn't sure. That is another little supercell that we seen the little lightning, well, I seen the little lightning bolt out of a while ago. That, I believe, is moving that direction right there, just that direction toward this way. I hope that misses us, because I don't feel like getting struck by lightning today. Alright, if this gets any more active, I'll tape a little bit more here. Because I'm running out of card space. So, yep.